I am going to show you how to create this logo design. So first of all, we will take the rectangle tool and press and hold the shift key to make a square. Now align its center. Make the stroke weight 10. Now we will divide this square into 3 equal parts. So take the rectangle tool and make a vertical rectangle like this. Now go to edit, copy, edit, paste in place, edit, paste in place. Go to view, outline, select all, press and hold shift key and click on the bottom square to deselect the square box. Now adjust the vertical rectangles. Now Ctrl Y to back into the GPU preview. Select all 3 vertical rectangles. Ctrl X to cut. Remove the box. Ctrl F. Now select the middle line and rotate it. Go to view, outline, make the adjustments like I am showing. Now select all, go to Windows, Pathfinder, click on Unite. Now take the line segment tool and make a vertical line, align it center. Select the vertical line, go to Object, Path, divide object below. Select the one part and remove. Now select the second part. Shift X. Now we will create another effect to make it more abstract. So take the pen tool and make a shape like this. Now select all, click on minus. Now remove this excess top part. Go to edit, copy, edit, paste in place. Now rotate it. Now select all, click on Unite. Your abstract and logo is ready. Please make sure you are going to subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you so much.